The next topic we are discussing for in allied in first unit plus surface tension. What is surface tension? Na? The force acting on the surface of the area, okay, and then perpendicular to acting on the inside in all directions, okay, that is the surface tension. That means it may be defined as the force per unit length of a line drawn in the liquid surface acting perpendicular to it every point trending to the full surface apart along the line. Okay, what is that surface unit means nm minus 1m, and the dimension means mt minus 2. Okay, the surface tension. Next move for the topic for drop weight method of determining surface tension of a liquid. In the drop weight method we have taken for that burette, sorry, this is the stand, this is the burette, or otherwise you taken funnel, and then this is a rubber tube. This is the rubber tube, and then this is for the glass tube. And then this is the screw based you just fixing for the drop method. Okay, so that's why here is this name for the drop weight method. Okay, determining surface tension of a liquid. In this experimental method, in practicals also we are determining that in drop weight method. Okay, so burette drop weight rubber நம்ம fix பண்ணிட்டு you just is a beaker. Okay, empty beaker you taken here, you fix filling that water liquid, any type of liquid you take fully that one. Which type of liquid is surface tension you are calculated na, that type of liquid you just filling in the burette. Okay, burette or otherwise funnel. Okay, in this line you just drop or first you calculating fixing for the 10 drops. You take first 10 drops means you stop that stop, and then you just waited, then beaker. Okay, and then next you just open that screw, and the next you taken for the next 10 drops. Okay, you just calculating then 10 20 30 40 up to or 5 set of reading you just taken that one, and then 5 set of reading you just taken means the difference between that weight and then weight of the empty beaker gives the after 50 drops, or you taken the 50 drops and 50, or otherwise you taken the 10 means 10. Okay, anyway, from this mass m of the each drop is calculated. In this drop you taken means each drop of water weight is calculated. Okay, the inner radius of the tube is r, and then we calculating the vernier caliper, or otherwise screw gauge. You see screw gauge you just calculating the radius. Okay, so what is the surface tension formula? Sigma equal to mg 3.8 r. M is the mass of the one drop of water, and then g is the acceleration due to gravity, and then r is the radius of the tube. Okay. So how to calculate that? So this is the theory part. Okay, so we are consider the force you keep small drop of what liquid in equilibrium just before you get detached from the end in vertical glass tube circular aperture. So at the instant drop get detached. Okay, so and the next let surface tension of the liquid, sigma is surface tension, r is the radius of the orifice. Orifice means this drop. Okay, this is the orifice. Okay, so excess pressure inside the drop over the outside atmospheric pressure equal to sigma by r. The area of section pi r square, because we taken that circular drop. Okay, drop you consider for the circular means pi r square. So downward force, so force will be in the only downward only, not for the upward. So that's why you are using for downward force. Downward force on the drop due to this excess pressure, therefore pi r square into sigma by r. The weight mg of the drop also act vertically downwards. So the total downward force is nothing but pi r square sigma by r plus mg. Next, this downward force is balanced upward. The downward force is balanced for the upward force also in the circumference 2 pi r. So equaling the 2 pi r sigma equal to this term. So next, you multiplying that r means here mg r, the r will be cancelled means you simplifies 2 pi r sigma equal to pi r sigma plus mg. Okay, here that r also cancel means only r also. So the sigma equal to mg into pi r. Okay, but the equilibrium drop method in dynamic or static, ஓகே இந்த ட்ராப் மெத்தட் வந்து டைனமிக் ஆர் அதர்வைஸ் ஸ்டாட்டிக்காக இருக்கலாம். ஸோ இந்த லார்ட்ஸ் ரேலே என்ற சயின்டிஸ்ட் யூ ஜஸ்ட் டைனமிக்லி அக்செப்ட் பண்ணனால இந்த பையோட வேல்யூ யூ அசியூம் தட் 3.8 into r. This is the drop rate method determining the surface tension of the liquid. And the next method for the interfacial surface tension. Interfacial surface tension means in the burette you taken that water na in the beaker you just taken for the another two type of liquid you just taken. Interfacial na mingle the two liquid you just taken that one. Okay, for example water and then oil also not mingle, and then water and the kerosene also not mingle. That type of liquid you just taken in the burette and then as well as for the beaker. Okay, in the burette la you just fixing for that end point inside dip in the inside of the beaker. Okay, that's why the drop will be counted. Okay, the same method for the drop rate method here using for the 10 5 10 20. Okay, so because that slow motions here acting, the surface tension is the slower than that interfacial is slower than the surface tension. So what this is the formula for sigma equal to mg by 3 r into 1 minus rho 2 by rho 1. Rho 2 is that second liquid order density, and then rho 1 is the first liquid order density. This is a tabular column. Okay, the tabular column is equaling for the two method. So mass of the beaker plus lighter liquid. Lighter liquid means water. Okay, trial 1, and then also you just taken for the trial 2, and then mean value for W1. And the next mass of the beaker plus lighter liquid plus 50 drops. Here the drops you taken, so that's why trial 1 and then trial 2, and the next mean value just subtracting means you calculating the value of 50 drops. So experimental part, and the next part the theory part. Next, let rho 1 and rho 2 be the density of the here you have taken for the water and then kerosene. Rho 1 is the water density, and then rho 2 is the kerosene density, and then m is the mass of the water in drop in air. So volume of the drop means m by rho, and then volume of kerosene displaced in water drop m by rho 1. So mass of kerosene you calculate in m rho 2 by rho 1. Here you mentioned that kerosene, so that's why you are using a rho 2. Okay, apparent weight of the water drop in kerosene mg is the total weight minus m rho 2 rho 1 to g. Why we are using g is that we are calculating the weight. Okay, not for mass. That's why we are multiplying that gravitation. Okay, next let sigma be the surface tension of the interfacial. Okay, so here mentioned that the same method for the previous surface tension and then interfacial surface tension. So pi r square sigma divided by r plus mg minus m rho 2 into g divided by rho 1. The same method that r will be cancelled, means here okay. So common term here that mg is taken outside, this is the minus term, so sigma only here. So mg by pi r into 1 minus rho 2 by rho 1. In the Rayleigh criteria method here calculating the value for pi oda value 3.8. So the interfacial surface tension oda formula sigma equal to mg 3.8 r into 1 minus rho 2 by rho 1. Okay, if you are understanding, I think okay guys, thank you.